if you see any picture where there's angles on an X across from each other, you can say those are equal. Does everybody remember that? Because those would be vertical angles.
You're not on.
If you see anything opposite of each other, you know they're equal. So you're going to see some like that.
How do you know
If they want to throw you a curveball, they might give you that this is 33, but they might be asking for this guy here, right? Well, those two are adjacent. So what do you know about those two?
they would have to add up?
They would have to add up to 180, okay? So it would be 147. Does everybody see that? If it's sideways? If you have two parallel lines, and you have a line going like this and a line going like this, right? You really have two parallel lines and two transversals. Does everybody see that? You see the two spears? So you cannot, if you have an angle in this intersection here, that goes with this intersection here. You follow the spear into the two parallel lines. And so these two would go together. Does everybody understand what I'm saying? So if I give you, let's say that this is 120, then you know that these little guys are 60, but it doesn't say anything about the red side. On the red side, they also have to give you one of the measurements. And let's say they say this is 80, then you know it's 100. You understand that?
If you don't get anything further.
Okay, so if you see that problem on the board, and this says 237, right? What do all of these three angles add up to that make a full circle?
237.
That make a full circle?
Oh, to make a full circle would be 3.
360. So you can just say 79 plus B plus 237 equals 360 and solve from there. Because a full circle is 360. You see it? And that's made up of three angles. That exterior angle, which is 237, and then the 79 and the B.